I just discovered the secret to chicken that melts in your mouth. This secret makes the chicken tender and juicy. Add 3 chicken breasts to a skillet with a little butter already melted in it. The butter helps create a better golden crust. Cut a slit into the center of each chicken breast so it absorbs the seasoning better. Let them cook. Now prepare our seasoning blend. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Also add 1 teaspoon of paprika. The paprika will give it a beautiful color. Add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. These seasonings will enhance all the flavor. Now simply mix all the seasonings very well. This will be our chicken seasoning blend. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. It will make the chicken incredibly flavorful. Perfect! Now add it over the chicken. The chicken is starting to absorb flavor now. Keep sprinkling seasoning over the top. Add plenty of seasoning because it tastes amazing. It should be well seasoned on top. This chicken breast recipe turns out incredibly delicious. And it is very simple to make. Add a little more to this one. Now let one side cook. Then flip it over and season the other side as well. One side is already golden brown. It already looks golden and appetizing. Now flip it over so the other side can brown too. Season this side as well. This side will absorb flavor too. Use our seasoning blend, which will give the chicken incredible flavor. Add a generous amount of seasoning. Now simply let this side brown as well. The other side of the chicken is nicely brown now. Turn off the heat. That golden crust makes the recipe even more delicious. Remove and set aside these chicken breasts that are already beautifully browned. Set them aside while preparing the sauce. Also remove these brown bits from the skillet. Now in the same skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Turn the heat back on. Let the butter melt. Prepare a delicious sauce for our chicken. Add 1 chopped onion and 3 minced garlic cloves. The aroma of onion and garlic is wonderful. Sauté the onion and garlic. They are nicely sautéed now. The mushrooms will enrich the sauce. Add about 3 1/2 ounces of sliced mushrooms. They will give the chicken a wonderful flavor. Just mix everything well. Now add about 3/4 cup of chicken broth. Also add about 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Add a pinch of black pepper. Mix again and let this sauce come to a boil. This sauce will finish cooking our chicken and make it incredibly flavorful. The sauce has come to a boil. Now add about 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Mix again to incorporate the cheese. It will also add a delicious flavor. Now take the chicken breasts. The cheese makes the sauce even creamier. Place them back into the skillet with this delicious sauce. Return the chicken to the skillet to finish cooking. This is going to be amazing. Also place lemon slices on top. Now simply cover the skillet and cook over low heat for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat. Our chicken is perfectly cooked. Finish with chopped green onions on top. Add just a little for extra flavor and color. Look at this delicious chicken. This sauce is absolutely incredible. This sauce is perfect for serving. Spoon it over the chicken, and now all that is left to do is serve.